All right, ever since I got my 2023 Road Glide ST, this is something I have been struggling with. This is my first touring bike, my first bike with hard bags, and I hate putting stuff in here because there's nothing soft about this at all. Just throwing things in here, especially hard things, you can hear them rattling around in there, and after a while, it's just not cool. But today, we have a solution for this, and it is from Hog Workz. What is going on, everybody? My name is Miles. Welcome back to the channel. I have been waiting to unbox these Hogworkz Saddlebag Liners, and today is finally the day, and you are here with me. If you're new to my channel, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe. I put out content pretty frequently. I'm on the front lines. I work at a dealership. You know the drill. Thank you for coming back to the channel. For those of you that have previously visited, maybe you hit the like button, you subscribed, and look, here you are. You're right here with me. We're doing this whole thing. We're into motorcycles, we're into Harleys, and I'm giving you some content. So let's get into it. First off, I want to talk about how nice this bag is that actual saddlebag liners come in. It is very, it's pretty fancy. I mean, this looks like something you would hang your shirt in, or your clothing in, or something like that, or maybe a jacket or dry cleaning. That's what this bag looks like. It looks like a dry cleaning bag or something. Very nice. So like I said at the beginning of the video, I have been looking for something soft and cushiony to put in my saddlebags. I mean, one of the first things I did was throw a rag or two in there just so that I could put stuff in there without it rattling around or hitting anything. I have been looking for a solution for this. Cycle Fanatics recommended this on his channel, so I looked into it. They make pretty good products, good quality stuff. So I went ahead and pulled the trigger. This is the red stitching, so it's gonna have some stitching in it. I plan on doing some color later on with my bike, maybe a red windshield or something like that, but that's later on. So let's go ahead and take everything out of my bags. That's what I'm gonna do first, is empty my saddlebags and prepare to put these in. For those of you wondering, I had some gloves, I had some Silver Wax, Original Garage Moto Silver Wax Showroom Detailer, I had some microfiber cloths, I had a hat, I had my T-bar bag inside my saddlebags, maybe a couple grooming products, and then a do not touch or sit, do not sit or touch the bike, because sometimes I got to put this on just so people don't get mixed up with this bike being for sale or something at the dealership, so they know not to touch it, because that's a big no-no. So but yeah, that is what was in my saddlebags. So let's go ahead and open these Hogworkz Saddlebag Liners. Ooh. That smells pretty strong. This is awesome. Very nice. Very nice. I like these too because they have pockets on the sides right here, and up in here you got some pockets so you can put your phone in there or something like that. Ooh, that's just really nice. That is really nice. I don't know how well you guys can see that, but that looks good. Looks like we got some Velcro spots towards the top here. Oh, there it is. Look at that. There's the Velcro. Wow, a lot of Velcro here. Jeez. Oh man, I wonder how long this is gonna take. Got some Velcro. Huh. Okay, I see what we're doing here. Ha! Installation instructions. Yep, might want to read those. Open saddlebag and insert liner with double stick hookup and loop fasteners attached. Position the liner into saddlebag bottom, pressing firmly such that the double stick hoop and loop fasteners are cured. Use an additional supplied hookup and loop fasteners to secure the liner for a better fit. Okay. So basically it comes with already some spots on here to mount, and then some extra so that I can put it on here and make it a little bit stickier. We're going to make it sticky and make it well formed and make it shape the bags perfectly. We are sticking the Velcro parts together here. This is a very, very easy upgrade to do, obviously. I'm just taking my time with it. So many different upgrades for the touring platform than the Softail. As many of you guys know, I had a 2021 Lowrider S that I tricked out. And with the touring bike, man, I mean, it just seems like there's just unlimited stuff for it. There's way more parts and accessories. I'm guessing probably because it's more bike. But yeah, we're gonna stick these here. We're getting a little down and dirty. I actually had to take these long ones and cut them with this because I ran out of the regular spaced ones for them. So Hogworkz, take note, if you're seeing this, please add more of these small ones already cut, because you didn't give me enough to put on all of the spots, so I don't have to cut my own. Other than that, we're making progress. Alright, what I did was I put the liner in the saddlebag, and I kind of figured out some spots where I want to give it some extra support. So I'm going to stick a few of these to some different spots. I think right here is a good spot in the bag, maybe right there as well, and one over here. But other than that, it's pretty secure. It fits pretty well. After some more consideration, I just decided to put extra support all over it. They are all fitted with Velcro. It's time to install the liners. Take your time. All right. Stick it lower on each one. I want to make sure my bag closes. Okay, it is nighttime, so let's go ahead and wrap this video up in the daytime. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for that video. I hope you guys liked it. The Hogworkz Saddlebag Liners are awesome. I've only had them for a day, but I already love them. Great fit, love the red accent, and maybe in the future I'll get some more stuff from them, so I highly recommend them. But that's gonna be it for this video, guys. My name is Miles. Ride fast, take chances, live your best life, get some saddlebag liners. They are worth it. See you in the next video. Later.